This is Alan Bush with ADMIS. Seeing stock index futures trading higher this morning, primarily due to a better tone to the Eurozone situation. So good gains this morning, but I'm inclined to think that with light volume and prospects of a weaker global economy, that these gains will not follow through. So from here, look for some sell-off later this afternoon, possibly a retest to unchanged on the day in stock index futures. Over in the currency markets, an index of investor sentiment in Germany helped the euro currency to gain. There's more talk that Spain will accept a bailout package. This is to some degree considered to be friendly for the euro currency. Also, there's talk that there could be a line of credit from the European Union's bailout fund to Spain. So an overall better tone to the eurozone situation, at least temporarily. We're inclined to think, though, that these gains will not follow through in the euro currency this morning. So look for some pressure developing this afternoon from these much higher levels. And in the Canadian dollar and in the Australian dollar, with a better tone in Europe, we are seeing spreaders taking profits on long Canadian, short Australian dollars, although I think this is a situation that is only going to be temporary. In fact, I think later today we'll start to see the Canadian gaining again on the Australian dollar, and I think that is the trend that is likely to continue longer term, where the Canadian dollar gains on the Australian dollar as the Chinese economy continues to slow and the European economy slows as well. Over in the credit markets, some pressure developing, this in line with higher stock index futures and mostly higher commodity prices, both of which are bearish for the credit markets. But don't forget, we do have the fiscal cliff coming up. That is thought to be a bullish factor, since it could cause flight to quality buying coming into treasuries down the road. Even though treasuries a bit lower this morning, I think we'll see some recovery, possibly a move back to near unchanged on the day. Longer term, the credit markets still appear to be in a bull market. Once again, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or Archer Daniels Midland.
Relative versus the rest of the world right now, the relative outperformance of U.S. equities. How much longer can it last?